Hello all and welcome to Aspirants Study Circle. We at Aspirants Study Circle are conducting a TSPSC Group 1 Parishram Mains Answer Writing Program, and it starts on 31st October of 2022. Please do attend a free orientation on answer writing on 29/10/2022 at 9 a.m. Don't miss it. Now, this program has been meticulously framed and formulated so as to cater to the needs of the students and also keeping in mind the expectations of the examiner. Now, if you look at the breakup, we have 25 essay tests, 75 units, which is 75 tests, and each unit will have 5 questions. 5 questions each. And after the completion of the units, you will have a sectional test on the units that have been completed, and each sectional test will have 10 questions, and the total number of sectional tests are 15, and which brings about 150 questions. So through unit tests you will have completed 375 questions, and then after all of these unit tests and sectional tests, we have comprehensive paper-wise tests, which is about 12. So all of these will be both in online and offline mode. It is in English medium, and the most important thing is only 150 seats are available, and because this is such a meticulously planned series, because we intend to provide the best of quality with providing model answers, so we want to encourage only a few students because we want to aim at quality. So now if you look at the breakup of the syllabus, now paper 2, history, culture and geography. Now history of India will be broken into 5 units: unit 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now each of these units will have 5 questions with the model answers and explanation on the same day. Now after the completion of these 5 units, you will have 1 day for revision, and then after the day of the revision on Sunday, you will have a sectional test on all this part, which is unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, unit 4, unit 5. You will have a sectional test on history and culture of India with special reference to modern period. So the syllabus becomes very important. Similarly, if you look at the section 2, which is history and culture of ancient Telangana, so you similarly have 5 units, and then you have a revision day, and then you have a sectional test on history and cultural heritage of Telangana. Now similarly, you have another section in paper 2, which is geography of India and Telangana, and it has been again divided into 5 units of each, 5 questions each. And then after the 5 units, you have a sectional test on geography of India and Telangana. And on Sunday you will have a comprehensive test, a complete test, which is 30 questions, and of course choice will be provided. Out of 30 you will have to write 15 answers. Right. So since you will have completed all of paper 2, you will have the test on comprehensive paper 2. So that brings us to the paper 3, which is Indian society, constitution and governance. So now first, Indian society will have 5 units again, and then you will have a revision day, and then you will have a sectional test. And similarly, when you talk about the constitution of India, you will have same 5 units, a revision day, and then a sectional test on constitution of India. Similarly, on governance, you have 5 units, a sectional test on governance. Now since you would have completed all of the paper 3, you will have a comprehensive test on paper 3. And similarly on paper 4, you have economy and development, Indian economy and development. You have 5 units, a revision day, and then a sectional test on Indian economy and development. Now coming to Telangana economy, you have again 5 units, and then you have a revision day, and then a Sunday sectional test on Telangana economy. Now development and environmental problems, similarly you have 5 units, and then you have a sectional test on development and environmental problems, and finally, since you would have completed all of paper 4, you will have a comprehensive test on paper 4. Now similarly, paper 5, you have science and technology and data interpretation. Now the first section would be role and impact of science and technology, which you will have 5 units again, a revision day, and then a sectional test. Similarly, section 2 of the paper, which is modern trends in applications of knowledge and science. So you will have similarly 5 units, a revision day, and then a sectional test on modern trends of applications of knowledge of science. Now similarly, section 3 of paper 5, which is data interpretation and problem solving, you will have again 5 units. So one thing you have to keep in mind is from 16th of December, right, from 16th of December, you will have an essay test which will be conducted on alternate days starting from 16th. So you have it again on 19th, you have it again on the 21st of December, and then again you have it on 23rd. So this will be an alternative day conducting of essay. So that is something that you have to keep in mind. So now we are done with the comprehensive test of paper 4, and then the science and technology sectional, it has been divided into 3 sections. The first is done, and then we have sectional test on modern trends and applications and data interpretation, and similarly data interpretation will have 5 units and then a sectional test. Now since you would have completed all topics on paper 5, you will have written a comprehensive test on paper 5. Now coming to paper 6, now the first section is the idea of Telangana, which is again divided into 5 units, and then you have a revision day, and then you will have a sectional test on the idea of Telangana. And section 2 of paper 6, which is mobilization phase from 1971 to 1990, you will have 5 units of 5 questions each, and then you will have a revision day and then a sectional test on mobilization phase of from 1971 to 1990. Now section 3 of paper 6, which is towards the formation of Telangana from 1991 to 2014, again which is divided into 5 units of 5 questions each, and then you have a sectional test at the end. And then since you would have completed all topics on the Telangana part, then you'll have a comprehensive test on paper 6. Now after all of these tests, unit tests and sectional tests and simultaneously comprehensive tests, we intend to conduct another set of comprehensive tests on similar lines of TSPSC mains TSPSC mains, the official TSPSC mains. On those lines we intend to conduct again, starting with essay paper 1, paper 2, paper 3, paper 4, paper 5, paper 6, and then in the end we have another essay which is to be written. So on 19th Feb, this test series will be completed. So you have to keep in mind that even if you haven't started your preparation yet, please do take part in this test series. And if you would have written, if you will prepare for all of these questions, prepare all of these answers, write about 25 essay tests, this will be a sure shot guarantee placement in those 503 seats. Because this effort, if you intend to keep this effort in such a structured way, because this is very structured and it is going to be completed in 105 days. So such a structured test program is being conducted by Aspirant Study Circle. So for any inquiries, please do WhatsApp or call this number, which is 9849360453. And if you have any other doubts, please again contact this number. Thank you.